we got fireworks. Live from North Rustico. Well, not really live, but I'm live right now. But we're in North Rustico. There's big Canada Day celebrations that always happen up here. They always do an excellent job of the fireworks. And we're down here today. We're going to try and capture some of the photographs of the different fireworks. And anyway, just see what different shots we can get down here. So as you can see, there's a lot of cars lined up here. They line up plenty early. People want to get the best seats in the house. So we're here at the boat parade in North Rustico, which is a tradition here. And who other did we run into other than well-known island photographer John Sylvester, who's well-known all across Canada for his amazing photographs. He's a real inspiration to talk to, and he's just an amazing person overall, always been very helpful. And well, we're gonna roam around here and capture some images. This is where it all started, right here. Well, kind of, almost. So down there, basically, is where I shot my first episode, and I was shooting up along the coast there, and the lighthouse I was shooting in episode 1 is right behind me. So if you want to see the difference between wintertime and summertime here on the East Coast, go back to episode 1 and check it out. It's almost coming on late in the winter season, so there's not a lot of snow, but you'll see a major difference. Plus you'll see them dressed very differently. Anyway guys, I want to come in with that tidbit of information, and we're gonna head back up to North Rustico. North Rustico. This is my setup. I got both the 5D and the 7D on. Let's move that. I got the 5D and the 7D on, the 50mm and the 17 to 40mm. I have young Neo triggers, so I can trigger them both. Oh, gotta make sure they're on at the same time. So I can trigger them both at the same time. So then get twice the shots, and I can try some different things. I'm hoping the setup is basically going to be the fireworks is going to take place right over the front of the ship. Then I can get the Canadian flags in it, and it'll work out great. That's what I'm hoping for. Let's see what we can come up with. And she says, hey! taking some shots with the fireworks in front of us here in North Rustico, Princeton around, and there's a couple different mechanisms I'm using, one of which is simply shooting at 1/4 of a second ISO 400, and my aperture is 4.0. The other is quite simply shooting at 30 seconds and putting your hand in front, but it's much brighter here than most spots with fireworks, and we're gonna get back to shooting. So just as quick as they started, they end it. It's I got the shots that I wanted, and I was quite happy with what I got. But one thing that I did notice that failed was my Wi-Fi card. I wanted it to transmit to my phone pretty much immediately so I could post online, but the Wi-Fi card seemed to not be able to keep up. Anyway, right now everyone's heading back to their cars, and we have a big traffic jam about to take place in this very small community called North Rustico. So for me, it's time to head back to Charlottetown for the night, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. So this wraps up my special Canada Day edition, and we're going to be airing another episode Monday night on Ile de la Madeleine, back to regularly scheduled programming, I guess I could say. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're on Snapchat, give me a follow at jmweb7, same with Instagram. And yeah, be sure to check me out on Twitter as well at jmweb. Anyway guys, thanks so much for watching. Hope you guys had a great time. I hope you really enjoyed the video. If not, leave a comment below. Thank you so much, and we'll be back again Monday.